Hey guys, I'm your host, ETA, aka Anand. And to make this prestigious looking championship, first of all, we need a book. The next thing we want is measurements. For me, I'm taking a reference from my United Kingdom Championship custom, which I made before. And if you want to check that out, I put a playlist known as Wrestling DIY. Now that we're done comparing sizes, let's make a 3D looking custom elite championship. Are you ready? I said, are you ready? Hit it. The ideal measurement that I'm using to draw the championship is 12 cm length with 2.5 cm breadth, keeping in the middle of 12 which is 6 centimeters. And to mark the final outline, I'm using a black ball pen. You can use any pen of your choice, but it needs to be black in color. Black pens matter. Hashtag black pens matter. To give the golden effect, we need to use the gold glitter pen. Also, don't try to imitate me watching this video because I am increasing the speed as I took longer than what you see now, because it would be a lot time if I'm using the real time. Yeah, you know what I mean, right? Now next we have to use the silver glitter pen, which helps us to add more details into our championship. It's more easier to color this in this pattern, or if we can do it vice versa, then go on, who's stopping? Also, don't forget to give the details with the black pen, baby. Next we have to cut a small piece of transparent cello tab and place it below the championship belt design, just like that. Next we have to take the silver sticker and cut even more smaller pieces. Draw AEW logo with the black CD marker. It's all about the patience, dude. Then we have to cut the tiniest piece of gold sticker which matches the E logo, and we all know E stands for elite, whatever bro, and look more realistic and similar to the real championship title belt. Now if you are done with this, I got 2 words for you. You're great. If you want, you can stop here right now and here, but I won't stop here. I can't. You know what's time. And now if you are a dad like me, just cut down the sides very carefully using scissors. I actually enjoy shooting this type of videos. It takes a lot of time than you can ever imagine. And I know some of them may understand and some of them won't. But you can always motivate me by clicking the like button. But if you're not, then don't demotivate me further. Maybe I've enjoyed myself cutting too much because I'm a pro at this, but it is still hits different. After cutting everything properly, you may get to see like this, maybe. Let me just put it in the right place. Okay, perfecto. Next, take a big slice of black sticker, stick it on a paper like this, and place the separated title designs one by one carefully as it decides the shape of the title. Next, take a sticky double side tab and carefully place the separated titles like this. You got the whole day to do this. You have the whole time in your hands. Now it's time to cut all the wasteful resources. course, you could always use a little help from the transparent silver tab to hold from the double-sided tab to the championship that we're making. And now it's time to add details to the straps. So take a gold sticker, place it over it as a small piece, and draw a gap between them as small circles, and cover it with a black CD marker on the rest of sides, and you'll get to see this magic. I bet you no one has ever taught you to make the championship look more bulgier, or you can say even 3D effect to the championship belt. It's so realistic that you can even fold a front or back any type you want, because it's damn flexible, dude. That's what she said. Oh boy, our championship is almost finished. It looks good to me. What about your opinion? Just comment down. Oh, maybe I missed the first one. Maybe it's time to cover it using a black tape. It's always strange to say black in today's community, It's time to peel off all the black remainings that we don't want for a championship belt. Because otherwise it would look cringy or stranger. Now for the final touch of the almighty, use a double-side tape. Stick it just like this and cover with the same stickers protection outfit. I don't know what you say with that. And voila.
There's the championship, ladies and gentlemen. We've been talking so much about it. Get a shot of it. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Now that is a strap. It's worth more than me. Nobody's hard yourself yet. You're alright.
See the look in his eyes when he's staring up at that title?
Sir. Hangman Adam Page, you're right, JR. A foundational piece of all elite wrestling.
This is the most requested DM ever made, with a new innovative idea which even I didn't try before. Hope you like this and rate this title overall on your comment section, in our comment section. And thank you for spending your valuable time for my channel. Peace.